Hi, my name's Jessica, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I really do love that intro. Okay, so today, since I didn't really do it the other day, all I used was that shade the other day, I'll try to use this palette today, the Wet n Wild VIPurple. And I guess I'll do some swatches. I originally was going to do something else, but it's cold. So my shirt for the day changed, and you'll see that I like matching my makeup to my shirt. So okay, so I guess we're still struggling how to do proper swatches, but we have, you know what, there we go. So that top transition shade is here. I don't know, not that much pigment came off of that one. This one is here, which is pretty good. This one is here, which was also pretty good. This one is here, which was pretty good. And this one is here, which, I don't know. But I have a feeling the mattes will perform better on the eyes. I'm hoping that performs as well as it does on my arm, on my eyes. But I don't think I'm going to use that one today. We'll see. Okay, so going from left to right, is it left to right? Yes. There's this one, which pulled a little more plum than I thought it was going to. But still not as pigmented. The same thing that happened with the other transition shade, but like I said, I think it'll work on the eyes. The purple shimmer next to it, I don't know, we'll see. I feel like the shimmers, except for maybe this one, that one, they have to be built up, which is okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, so while I would like to have like purple and pink transition shades and such, I don't want to go into another palette because I really just want to stick with this one and see what it has to offer. So I'm taking the fluffy brush that I have from Wish and going in with the light transition shade, or, well, it's not called a transition shade, but I'm calling it a transition shade. This one, that one. And this one I did use the other day, and I did not have a problem with it. Okay. I don't know, maybe I'll try this transition shade. Because, I don't know, it pulled a little more plum on my arm. So maybe I'll try that. Okay, there's pigment. Oh, what brush is this? It's from BH Cosmetics. I don't know, it's like kind of tapered. It has a 3 on it. I feel like it's stuck a little bit over here. But, okay. Could just be me. I don't know. Like I said, I'm Jessica and I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to blend it out a little more with that lighter shade again. You know, I feel like the two like dark shades in here look kind of the same. I feel like they definitely could have swapped one of those out for a highlight shade. So I will have to grab a highlight shade from somewhere else. I don't know. What do we think goes best with my shirt? All of them. If only I could wear all of them at the same time. Is that a challenge? Alright, I'm going to take the IBY crease brush. I'm going to go in with this one because I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it's slightly more purple. This one's more brown. Like that one looks like almost black, like a chocolate brown. This one has a little bit of plum to it. So, whoa, okay. We do have pigment there, that's for sure. Which is good. Just gotta be careful. I feel like I'm not very talkative today either. I don't know, I don't feel that great. My IBS is acting up a little bit today. So, there's that. These things happen. I'm going to use as many of these as I can. Which, well, it's not really that many. How many are even in here? 10. Okay. Well, I'm going to start with the pink. And I'm going to go in there and put it on the inner third. Okay, well, it's there. I would just... I feel like there's not that much shine to it. It's more like a satin slash like true shimmer instead of, I don't know, like nowadays things are more metallic. I'm gonna go in with my pinky and go in with this one. Oh, comes off, well, you can't really tell. It comes off a little more blue toned, which is fine. That's what I like better, but I like blue toned purples better than red toned purples. So like blue purples rather than pink purples, which are harder to find. Okay, that one's taking more building up than I would like it to take. I'm gonna go in with this one on my middle finger, and I'm gonna put it in the middle. That did about nothing. Not thrilled here. And that's my dad's alarm going off in the background. I think, I don't know, I'm not thrilled with this. I don't know why. I can't really put my finger on it. I don't know if I don't like the color combination I picked, or it's not, I don't know, it's taking more building up than I would want it to take. We're gonna keep going though, and I'm gonna take the alarm. Sorry, he's not gonna wake up at all. I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics, I don't know, has a 5 on it. It looks like that. I'm gonna work backwards. I'm gonna go in with the dark purple, this one. And start going in like that. Hopefully not get it in my eye, but too late. Then I'm gonna go into this one. I feel like it's working better on the lower lash line. I don't know why that is. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink. Lovely eyeshadow face. Wow, that's pink. And then I'm gonna go in with the dark purple a little more. Try and deepen it up. For brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go into the one I used the other day. The Revlon Photoready Eye Contour Kit. And I'm gonna take my dollar store brush that I got a million years ago. And I'm gonna go into the cream shade. It's like a cream shimmer shade. That's gonna be my brow bone highlight today. I didn't try this one the other day. It's nice. That works. And in case you want to see me clean up, what I do is I take my Too Faced Mr. Right brush, just sweep away the fallout carefully. It was only a little bit. And then I go in with the dollar store brush and into my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in 110 Porcelain. Just kind of go like that. Like so. Alright, so final thoughts on this guy. It's not for me. Even though it looks like the color should be. I love purple. Purple's my favorite color. This was an impulse buy. I did not need it. I saw the purple and I saw a sale. I was like, yay, let's get it. The shimmers are not as shimmery, metallic as I want them to be. These aren't as pigmented as I want them to be. And like I said, I would swap out like one of these, or yeah, I would say one of these for a brow bone highlight, just to make it like a complete palette. Or maybe throw in, and you know me, I mean, well, you don't know me yet, I'm new. But like a pink or purple, like matte crease shade. The mattes are okay. The mattes are really fine. It's the shimmers that I have the issue with. Yeah, but at the same time, I think this is $5, like $4.99, so it's not a bad palette. It's definitely something I didn't need, and that I have other things I like better, but it's not bad, especially for only being $5. So I don't know, if you want to kind of just throw a couple pinks and purples into your makeup collection, maybe this is for you. I could definitely see this being for other people, but it's not for me. I want more from it. I have others that I like better with similar colors. Yeah, so, but I do want to play with that gold shade at some point. Hey, it may be worth it just for the gold shade, who knows? But yeah, so that's it for today. So if anyone's watching out there, I hope you have a good day.